Hey Insta family, it is Allie here from Something Greater Social, and today I am here to chat about how to reach a new audience on Instagram. Now, this IGTV came about because I put a poll up in my stories, and the vast majority of you voted for this topic. So I'm gonna dive right into it. There are 4 steps that you need to take when you are trying to reach a new audience on Instagram. Step 1, do your market research. You're gonna wanna figure out who the key educators and leaders are in that field, and then follow and interact with them authentically. You can use the comments on their posts to engage with what they have shared, and you can also use it to kind of piggyback on other people's comments and get to know other followers who are interested in their content as well. You want to think about it like using it as a means to increase your own visibility in that sphere. The second step is do your hashtag research. If you have been following me for any length of time, then you already know that I am a huge hashtag advocate. I think hashtags are one of the most useful things that we have here on Instagram, and I want you to think of them like Google search keywords or SEO. When you think about your new client, whoever this potential new audience is, you want to really consider what it might be that they're searching for. So sometimes industry hashtags, ones that we might consider as relevant as people who are in that field, aren't really the things that people are looking for who are consumers of that field. One of the best features that Instagram has is the related hashtag search. So if you find a hashtag that you know people are searching who are looking for things that are like yours, then go through the related hashtag search and come up with a list of 5 to 10 additional hashtags that are relevant to your industry as well. Shameless plug, I also have an ebook on this very subject. It has a bunch of worksheets in the back that help you to design your own hashtag strategy, so feel free to pop over to the link in my bio. I don't know where the thing will be, depends on if you tilted your screen or not, so just go to the link in my bio and you can get it there. The third step in reaching a new audience on Instagram is creating content that serves your audience. So there's no point in doing the last 2 things that I mentioned if you're not actually already creating content that serves your niche. You want to make sure that your content is focused and specific, and that each post serves your audience with useful tips, tricks, insights, and inspiration. Your content should really be improving someone's day. Here at Something Greater Social, we always say create value, not noise. And the 4th step is to be patient. It takes time to build trust. It takes time for people to know and learn about you. It takes time for people to decide that what you're doing is something that they actually want to be involved in. It takes effort. Do things to build that relationship and really do it with intention and authenticity. If you ghost after you post, don't do that. Stick around, make sure you engage, and give it time. So those are my 4 tips for reaching a new audience on Instagram. I hope you like them. If you have questions, as always, please feel free to leave them in the comments, send me a DM. Don't forget to like this post, share it if you found it useful, and save it for later, just in case you decide to change audiences. Thanks so much, and I will see you soon. Bye.